Okay, my garbage disposal has quit turning on. It's kind of a hum sound. So I learned a little trick I want to share with you guys. Get an Allen wrench. This is a 1/4 inch that I'm using. We're going to go underneath the sink here. Here's my garbage disposal. And if you look underneath my garbage disposal, there is a, let's see if I can get to where you can see it here. There's a place for you to insert this Allen wrench. Make sure you turn your breaker off. You need to turn your breaker off. Stop and do that now. When you get done, here's what you do. Put my Allen wrench in here, give it a spin, and you're manually spinning the gear or the blades or whatever. When you do that, you can free up, hopefully, popcorn grains or whatever is causing it to freeze up. Okay, let's give it a try. Here we go. After I turn my breaker back on, there we go. You're welcome.